Imagine your car breaks down tomorrow and the repair costs $1,200. If you only have $50 in your account, that repair can become credit card debt, missed bills, and weeks of stress. But if you have $5,000 saved, the problem is still frustrating. It just doesn't control your life. That's why your first $5,000 matters. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, investing, and why financial milestones change behavior. $5,000 won't make you rich or let you retire, but it gives you something most people underestimate: breathing room. You can handle a car repair, medical bill, broken appliance, or temporary loss of income without immediately panicking. Once you stop living in financial survival mode, your decisions improve. You rely less on debt. You stop checking your account before every purchase. You become more patient and protective of the money you worked hard to save. That first $5,000 also changes your identity. You're no longer someone trying to save. You become someone who has savings, and that mindset makes it easier to keep building. Start small. Reach $500, then $1,000, then $2,500, and finally $5,000. Automate what you can, use extra income wisely, and stay consistent. Your first $5,000 is not the finish line. It's where money starts becoming protection, options, and freedom. Subscribe to Savvy Investor for practical videos about money, investing, and long-term wealth.